In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the strip method in Python. The strip method works like trim method that you have already used in other languages, like ltrim to remove from left side space or any particular character, or rtrim to remove from the right side. Like trim, and strip method all works in Python, and it removes by default space, and if you mention the character, then it will search the character from the string and remove it. The syntax of this strip method is like this: string value dot strip, and the argument is optional here. If you don't define any argument, then it will take space, as it will use the space for streaming, and if you mention the character, then it will use that particular character or characters for stripping the string. First example is a simple use of a string method where username and password will be string and space will be removed from the text. Here the two variables are assign username admin, and there is some space, and in the password there is a space at the beginning and the ending. First of all, without using strip, it is checks it is equal to admin or password. If this condition returns true, then it will print authenticated user, otherwise not authenticated. Here both string contains spaces, so it will be false. And here next strip method is used with each variable and again checked. Now I will save the file s1.py and run the script, and here you can see the output. First one is not authenticated user, and after using a strip it shows authenticated user. So this type of tags, for this type of tags you can use the strip method. And in the next example, use of strip method to remove particular character. If you want to mention the character that you want to remove from your text data, then you can use the argument. Here first of all, a string data will be taken from the user, and next the character that you want to remove from the string data. And in this statement, the character value will be used as a strip argument, and it will remove the data from character from the string and assign in a new variable. So I will save it first, s2.py, and now I will write. Suppose the string is hello and the character is $, then you can see the original string is this one, and after using a strip, the output is just hello. In this way you can remove any character from your string data. And the next example is remove multiple characters. And this is the last example. Here an infinite loop is used. I will give you a tutorial about different types of loops in Python later. And here just check how to define an infinite while loop. While true colon, and here you will take any URL address as an input, and next you have to take the multiple characters that will be used for stripping, and here the data is stripped with the multiple character list, and the next both values are printed before strip and after strip. And since it is an infinite loop, so it is asking for user, so it is asking user to continue the loop or not. If the user type yes, then if the user type yes for quit, then the loop will terminate. So I will save the file first. And now I will run this script. Email address, and enter the character. Suppose HTTPS, and here you can see after stripping the HTTPS colon the // then the output is only hello. If I type yes here, then it will terminate from the loop. In this way, you can use strip in your script. And if you want to remove the character or space or multiple characters from the left side, then use L strip. And when you want to remove from the right side, then use R strip. Thank you.